Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this one is PinkPantheress with the song called I Must Apologize. So this one is absolutely not your typical guitar song here, but I just wanted to show you guys that almost anything is playable with a guitar. So you can do almost everything and cover every song. So yeah. This one is about 3 chords and we don't need any capo, and the chords will be the B7 here, and you need to bar the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that gives you that grip with the 4th on the D and 4th on B. So bar all strings on the 2nd fret from A string and down, and you add the 4th fret on D and 4th fret on B. That's the B7, and then we move to the C major 7. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be A6, and we need to grab it up here. So what you do there, the easiest way is to bar the 7th fret from the D string and down. So 7th fret there, and the rest will be 9 on the G string and 9 on the E string. So it will be played in the same way through the entire song. So I will illustrate the timing here of how you're gonna handle this chord. So okay, so you play, you can say 3 downs on each chord here, but it will be down, 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 down. So 3 downs on the B7, and then you switch to the C major 7. You play 1 down, and then you wait for, you could say 1.5 moment if you compare to the B7. So, and then you're gonna play 2 faster downs. So slowly, if we take down the tempo a bit, it will be like this. Yeah, so if we play standard tempo, something like this. So you're gonna play that for 3 rounds, the B7 and the C major 7. You alternate that 3 times, and on the fourth time here, you're gonna play the B7, and then you go up to the A6. Up here. So 3 times of this, and on the 4th time you play with the same kind of timing here, and same, yeah, you play in the exact same way, but you just switch out the C major 7 and you play the A6 instead. So, and then you move up here and quickly back again to the B7, and this goes on through the entire song. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, because that is exactly what we need to go through when it comes to this song, I Must Apologize. So good luck with this one, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.